Hey everyone! Tired of Salesforce asking for a verification code every time you log in from a different browser or clear your cookies? While security is key, these prompts can definitely slow you down. Today, I'm showing you the 2026 way to whitelist your network and disable those identity verification codes for your entire team. Let's jump into setup. First, head to the top right of your screen and click the gear icon, then select Setup. In the Quick Find box on the left, type Network Access. This is the specific area where Salesforce manages its trusted IP list. By adding your IP address here, you're telling Salesforce that your network is safe, which allows you to bypass the verification stage entirely. Click on New to add a range. You'll need your current IP address. If you don't know it, just Google "What is my IP?" Enter your address in both the Start IP address and End IP address. If you're in a large office, you might want to enter the entire range provided by your IT department. Give it a description like Headquarters or Home Office, and hit Save. Next, let's make sure your session settings aren't overriding your trusted IPs. In the Quick Find box, type Session Settings. Scroll down to the Identity Verification section. In 2026, you'll see a checkbox for Require Identity Verification for all direct UI logins. Ensure this is unchecked if you want your trusted IP ranges to take effect. This tells Salesforce to trust your whitelisted network instead of forcing a code every time. If you're still getting prompts, the restriction might be at the profile level. Navigate to Profiles in the sidebar, select the profile you're using, like System Administrator, and look for Login IP ranges. If there are ranges listed here, they are hard restrictions, meaning anyone outside those IPs is blocked entirely. Ensure your IP is included here to keep things seamless. To test it, try logging out and logging back in using an incognito or private browser window. If you've set up your trusted IP range correctly and adjusted your session settings, Salesforce should now take you straight to the password screen without asking for that secondary code. You've successfully streamlined your login flow. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.